If you want length in your lashes and you want a 2-in-1, you have to check out this Honest Beauty Extreme Length 2-in-1 Clean Mascara and Lash Primer. For me, this was sent for me from the brand, but as always, I will always give my honest review. As you can see, I really love that it came with a primer as well. You can see it truly has lengthened my lashes. That you can actually just see, because it is white, you can see how much longer my lashes look. The wand really seems to get in there and you really can wiggle it through and really lengthen your lashes. And I found too, when I used the volumizing and lengthening mascara with it, that it coated the primer really well. It was super easy to put on. And as you can see, my lashes do look super long. And as you could see before, I didn't look like I had the longest lashes, especially because they are like a lighter brown color. And for me, I found that this was super easy to use. It didn't clump at all. And it just gave me that really fanned out look that everyone wants with their mascara. Again, love it. And you should try it too.